What's the meaning of character recognition? Character recognition. Character recognition.
Character recognition. Character recognition. Character recognition, also known as optical character recognition, OCR, refers to the technology that can recognize and convert printed or handwritten characters into machine-encoded text. This is accomplished using algorithms and image processing techniques to analyze the shape of each character and compare it with a database of known characters. The result of character recognition is typically a digital text document that can be edited, searched, and indexed by a computer. This technology has many applications in areas like document management, data entry, and automated translation.